Fuji! Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. And today we have Zosius Live Fit Sparkling Fuji Apple Pear!
Oh, that sounds really good.
I know, I can't wait. So, this should be pretty good. I mean, beautiful can design as always, so got that. So let's look in there, boy, lactose. We got ourselves 10 little calories, 2 grams of carbohydrate, 60 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.7 milligrams of riboflavin, 20 milligrams of niacin, 2 milligrams of B6, 6 micrograms of B12, 300 micrograms of biotin, 10 milligrams of lovely acid, 50 milligrams of calcium, 50 micrograms of chromium, and 0 sodium or sugar. And 200 lovely little milligrams of caffeine per can.
That's amazing.
Mm-hmm. Let's see how this tastes though. Will it live up to the hype?
I don't know, apple and pear, that's a pretty good combination.
It definitely smells fresh.
If it's anything like an apple soda.
Heavy on the pear, light on the apple.
Really? I figure with the two of those it'd be kind of hard to distinguish. 67 Camaro convertible.
Ooh, that looked beautiful.
That was pretty. Blue convertible, no less.
Not bad. It's definitely heavy on the pear though.
I like pear.
You get a little bit of apple at the end of the taste.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Mm-hmm.
That is heavy on the pear.
And then the apple
That's
comes in right at the end on the tongue.
Yeah, interesting. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured the apple would have been a little bit more predominant. That's interesting. That initial taste is a little bit bitter, I think.
Yeah.
It's almost like that tea, the caffeine from
Almost,
the tea
yeah.
really kicks in there, because I can almost guarantee that's the tea there. Huh.
But this
Not
one
bad.
specifically doesn't have the green green tea in it. Yeah. It's got the tea base, I think here.
Okay.
Yeah, the green tea leaf extract. It's got that, but it's not a tea base.
Okay.
So it's and ginger extract, etc. So
Yeah, the ginger. Yeah,
Yeah.
I got the ginger. Got the ginger taste. That's not bad. It's
Yep.
not quite as good as I was thinking.
yeah.
But I think I was thinking it'd be more like an apple soda, which it's not. So I think that's
Yep,
part of the
definitely
problem.
not. But for what it is, it's pretty good.
Yeah. First time I've seen a pear and apple combination.
Where the pear wins out, right?
Yeah, very heavy on the pear.
Yeah. So
I like pears, that's good. That's neat though. I'm a fan.
Yep, not too bad. I'd say that one would probably be SRT. Not
Yeah.
quite one of the ones I'd go back and get every single
No.
time. So
I'd probably pick whatever last week's was. Was that the mango something last week?
I think so. Yep. That was good.
I'm partial to mango, so.
Yep. Mango.
That's
is
a good
partial.
one though. It's worth a try.
Yep. Exactly. So.
You don't know. You might be a pear apple person.
Exactly. So let us know in the comments and let us know if you have a favorite Celsius Energy flavor. So
Don't judge it before you try it.
Exactly.
Unless you're allergic to apple and pear.
unless you're allergic to apple pear.
And then unless you want to die, then don't drink it.
Yeah, don't do that. So anyways, that's pretty good. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.